Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unhide any contact on Facebook Messenger. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Messenger application. Once inside, you'll be on the main screen, which displays your chats menu. This is where all your conversations will appear. Step 2. Now, look at the top left of your screen, where you'll find 3 vertical lines. This is the menu icon. Tap on it. Step 3. Next, locate the settings option on the right side and tap on it. Step 4. Now scroll down to find the privacy and safety option, then tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the hidden contacts option and tap on it to view all hidden contacts. Step 6. For the last and most important step, locate the contact you want to unhide and tap Unhide to unhide any contact instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.